Okay, let's jump right into it. What if I told you that you don't need equipment? Like you don't need a heat press, you don't need a printer, you don't need a cutting machine to start your t-shirt business today. You don't need all of that. You just need to know one or two things. One, how to design, or two, where to go find designs at, right? And I'm gonna show you both ways right here in this video today. So let's get right into it. So I just created this design for the Jackson Bulldogs, right? Now I'm gonna put this on the red shirt, so I'm just gonna check it out to see how it's gonna look on the red shirt. It's gonna look really good. Okay, so I like that, right? So I can just undo it and leave it a white background. First thing I wanna do with this image, I wanna go here to share. I'm going to do download. I'm going to increase it a little bit just to make sure it has a good quality to it. I'm going to select transparent background. You see I have 10 pages. So I don't want all 10 pages. I only want the page that it is, and it's page 7. So I want to do done, and I want to do download. Now it is downloading this file for me. And right here, I'm just going to put J Bulldogs. Okay, so we got J Bulldogs. I'm going to select save. Now I'm gonna come right here to my internet and I'm going to Jiffy, right? And we're gonna go right here to transfers. And I always pick the first one. I've had good luck with that one, and it's telling me when I can expect to get it on the 23rd. So remember that date, that's gonna be important. It's like Tuesday. So now I'm just gonna go to J Bulldog. I'm gonna upload that. I'm gonna give it time to upload. Okay, so it takes me right to this page. And Jiffy do like to let you see it before and after, before they touch up your work. They like to do it, but right now it's just generating, so we're gonna have a little patience. Okay, so it has uploaded our image. The image looks really good. It actually looks good with that gray background too, y'all. And I can just scroll down, and right here it's showing me how it's gonna look on a shirt. But we know I want it on a red shirt, so I can see how it looks. If you want to do view larger mock-up, you can come right here and you can view it in different ways. You can also send this to your customer just to see, hey, do they like this or not? They may want to change their mind. So that's another way to send stuff to your customers. Okay, so right here you can do custom size. If I wanted this to be a 10, if I want to be a 10 width, then it'll automatically generate the height for me. So it makes sure it stay proportionate for me. So I'm going to say a 12. Now, if I wanted, let's do 10. We're going to do 10 of these. If I wanted 10 of these, it'll cost me $67.80 for these shirts, right? For 10 of these shirts. So there's $6.78 per shirt for them to print the image for me. And then I still gotta get them shipped to me, order the shirts, and press them myself, right? Or I can scroll down. Oh, let me show you this too. Right here, Jiffy asks you, do you want to pre-cut transfers? I would say no, because they're gonna charge you 30 cents per print, and you can cut them yourself. Trust me, you can cut them yourself. So you can go ahead and add it to your cart if you want to finish this order. But if you want to take Jiffy up on their offer and say upload your design, we'll handle the rest. Okay, Jiffy, say less, baby. Say less. Let's let Jiffy handle the rest. So right here, I'm gonna do complete project. I'm gonna select the one I like. Now this is my shirt. Y'all know I like this shirt. So I'm gonna select this shirt. It's gonna bring it up for me. And it's gonna say upload the design to. We will print, press, and deliver. Say less, say less. So please print for me, Jiffy. Now, I'll go from my design library, and I have this image in here a couple of times. Okay, so I can just select the image and do select design. Okay, and it's gonna put it on there, but we know we want a red shirt, right? We want a red shirt. Okay, you want to make sure that color, because it looked a little pink. It looked a little pink for a minute. So you want to make sure you the color right here says red. Okay. And we want to go to next. And now it's giving us our price. So Jiffy is going to charge me for one shirt $14.25, right? That's what they're going to charge me. Okay. Now each time you select next, just scroll to the bottom and it's going to ask you some more stuff. And you just do next again. And it's going to say select size and quantity. So right here, we're going to just do what we did on the first one. We're going to do 10 extra larges, see how much it costs us. Okay. So right there it's going to be, our total is going to be 106.20, and it's going to be $10.62 per shirt, right? Okay. So we can do next, and we can do add to cart. So at this point, we want it. Okay. So I know some of you guys right now are cringing. You're like, but I sell the shirts. I want to make the shirts. Get out your own way with it. Let me tell you something. You designed it, or you went found the design. So you making the shirt don't mean it's not your work. It is still your work. You just let a third party do the manual work for you. Do I do this all the time? No, because I told you I love pressing my own shirts sometimes because it's kind of therapeutic for me. But when I have too many orders that I cannot handle myself, I don't want to tell customers, hey, I'm booked and overloaded this month. I can't take your order. I'm just gonna take that order and let a third party company do it for me because I'm still designing it, or I'm still going out and finding the design for them. But let us do the quick math on this real quick. Let me just show you the difference. Okay, so if I'm gonna charge this customer $22 for this shirt times 10 shirts, it's gonna be $220. Now, if I, let Jiffy press them for me, I'm gonna say the average shirt is gonna be like I'm gonna say 250. Nope, I'm gonna just do $3. $3 times 10. We already know what the answer is. We're gonna do 30, right? So I already know that Jiffy is gonna charge me $67.80 plus 30 for the shirts. That's gonna be a total of $97.80 for me to do this. Plus, I'm gonna have to press these myself. Now, if I'm gonna make $220 minus the 90, I'm just gonna round it up to $98. I'm only gonna make $122 off of these shirts. But I can also come to Jiffy, and I know my profit is gonna be, well, my cost is gonna be 220 minus the 106. I'm round up to 107 that Jiffy is gonna charge me to do everything for me. It's gonna be 113. So yeah, I'm only losing $9 by letting Jiffy do it for me. Is $9 really worth me doing it myself? No. Jiffy had that $9. You can take it because now I've freed myself up to do orders for another customer, or like those last minute orders when people want to order. I need this the next day. I just freed myself up by letting Jiffy do the work for me. Okay, so I also told you that you don't have to be creative. You just got to know how to pick out a nice design. So you can go visit sites like Creative Fabrica or Etsy. We're gonna start with this one first, and I'm just gonna do football spirit shirt. And I'm just gonna load up all the football shirts. And once I download this, I can go into Canva and change the colors to how I want them. Okay, so if I find a design that I like, well, since we was doing bulldogs, let's look up bulldog shirts. Now it's gonna bring up the pet too, y'all. Y'all gotta understand it. See, let's do say football bulldog shirts. Okay, so now it's gonna give us designs, and we can simply download this, bring it into Canva. This is nice. I can download this, bring it into Canva, and I can change the colors on it. Okay, and make it my own. That one is really nice. I may come back and download this one for real for myself. Now, go to Etsy. Let's do the same thing. Go to Etsy and type in football, bulldog, and we want a PNG, right? That's what we want. See? Look at that. That same design, and that's the same design we just saw right here on Etsy too. And you just simply download it, change the colors, make it your own, and there you have it. Like, I like this, and I will possibly buy this, market it to my customers, and if they want it, I can go through Jiffy, let Jiffy press it for me. Okay?